Hello everyone, right here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing on how should business in Singapore obtain their cleaning license. Okay, cleaning license is being issued by NEA, the National Environment Agency of Singapore. As you all will have hear from the name, they take care of the environment in Singapore. They will penalize offender who litter anyhow on the street. They will also penalize for smoker who anyhow smoke in non-permitted places. They also penalize motorists with a car that is idling for too long, or motorists with exhaust pipe that emit too much smoke. Okay, NEA cleaning license is issued by NEA. There are a few ways for cleaning company, or say company without the cleaning license, who wish to get this license. Okay, there are two academic way and one way which you hire someone under your workforce and you apply the license. Okay, maybe I will go to talk about the academic way first. There are actually four courses. Two courses that I'm going to mention, they go hand in hand. They are called the Supervised Service Operation course. And the other course that go hand in hand with this course is called the Demonstrate and Apply Understanding of Cleaning Methods and Processes. These two courses will have to go hand in hand. The other two courses that I'm going to mention is from the Technical Skills and Competency within the Skill Framework for Environmental Services. The two course name is called the Customer Management and Effectiveness Management. So these two courses must also go hand in hand in order to obtain the cleaning license. I will later share with you where can you go for the course, which training provider provide the course. I will share the link below for you guys to check it out. Okay. The other way is you hire someone, a supervisor from another firm or not been working currently. They hire this person who have at least 2 years working in the cleaning industry as a supervisor. You hire this person in your workforce and you apply together through NEA. This will allow NEA to consider, because of this person, consider your application. So I've mentioned ways on how you can go about getting your NEA cleaning license. Okay. So of course NEA require the company to be registered in Singapore. It can be a sole proprietor, partnership, limited liabilities, partnership or limited partnership, or say any association, societies registered with the ROS, Registry of Societies. These are different way how an organization can register with ACRA or ROS. The cost fee for applying for NEA cleaning license is 130 and is valid for 1 year and is renewable on a yearly basis. Okay, it takes around 30 working days to process and for NEA to issue the license upon full compliance of licensing requirement, which I just mentioned. Then you go for courses, or you hire someone who have already experienced at least 2 years experience working for a cleaning company before. Okay, the website that you all have to go to process this application is called the CIMS. It's called the Cleaning Industry Management System, CIMS, through NEA website. I will also share the link below later on for y'all to check it out. Okay, I will also discuss a bit about existing licensee who already practicing cleaning and wish to renew their license. Okay, for existing licensee, they must have at least one contract ongoing in 12 months preceding the license application. If this is not being fulfilled, right, then NEA will treat you as a new applicant, meaning that for at least a year you have not been practicing cleaning. So NEA will require you to will treat you as a brand new company. So they won't call you a renewal license. They will just call you a new application for any cleaning license. Okay, during submission, NEA might ask you who are in the workforce. So you have our cleaning company in Singapore that are registered with NEA will be regulated under the progressive wage plan. Simply say, this plan is about setting minimum salary for cleaners in Singapore. I will also share the PWM link later below for you all to check it out on how much is the minimum salary to pay different sort of cleaner. Because as I have known, there are different sort of cleaner. There can be general cleaner, there can be restroom cleaner, there can be a supervisor who supervises a job site, or say a cleaner who is skilled at operating machine. So these are all various type of cleaners that NEA with MOM require the cleaning company to pay a minimum salary to this worker under the PWP, the progressive wage plan, or the progressive wage model, whatever you call it. Okay, so the minimum salary must be set when you apply, and also for existing business cleaning company who wish to renew the license. MOM will look at how much are you paying the cleaner currently before agreeing to renew your license or to issue a new license to you. So, okay, I have already mentioned how should anyone obtain their cleaning license and the necessary cost or the workaround on how should you hire someone who's already trained to be in your workforce in order to obtain the license. And the compliance minimum salary issued, how the minimum salary set by PWM model, PWM for cleaning company to pay their cleaning staff. Okay, and then maybe I can discuss a little bit on how when anyone who are not compliant and then still practice cleaning work. I'm talking about the cleaning company currently, okay? Cleaning company who do not have cleaning license, however offered cleaning contract to service buyer, such as condo, office, industrial, or whatever places, okay? The penalty is 10,000 fine, and for every ongoing work that you are working without the cleaning license, per day will be fined at that $1,000. So there's no cap. As long as you do not have cleaning license, you are being caught, the maximum fine will be up to $10,000. Then per day from the day onward, if you still continue to work per day, NEA will fine you $1,000. Same goes for the service buyer. Knowingly engage someone without any cleaning license, you will be penalized the same as a cleaning company who operate without a cleaning license. The penalty will be the same. Okay, so these are things that you have to bear in mind on why any cleaning company in Singapore must go for their NEA license. Then perhaps I will also talk about there are actually three or more type of cleaning that do not require a cleaning license. For example, facade cleaning that deal with cleaning of the outside of the building. For example, Spider-Man, if you all have known, those are jumping on the wall of the building, cleaning the exterior of the building. All these sort of cleaner, they do not require cleaning license. Okay, there could be also some swimming pool maintenance guys who go down to clean the swimming pool. All these companies do not require cleaning license. Lastly is the people or say company who offer domestic cleaning to household, the 钟点女佣 the part-time helper. All these also do not require cleaning license. Okay. So yeah, with all this being said, you can be familiar on who should be the one going for this cleaning license. So I also share a bit on why cleaning is a good industry to go in. Reason being is because cleaning is an evergreen industry. That's my opinion. Because a place that is being cleaned today, a few days after will be dirty again. So this company will again need cleaning. So cleaning, I would say, is an evergreen industry. So anyone who wish to have a very stable sort of income can consider going into this industry. However, the profit margin is not great. Maybe a good 10% to 15% for current market will be good enough. Currently due to COVID situation, government require all premises that's being affected by a confirmed case of COVID-19 patient, the place to be disinfected. Disinfected and sanitizing is two different things. So disinfected means to engage a professional cleaning company to come down to disinfect your premises. This is what required by the government, the authority. So with all this being said, I believe I should have covered more or less what is required for companies in Singapore to obtain your cleaning license. I'm also always welcome for comment or any question. Please leave your comment below. I will read most of it or say all of it, and will reply if to my knowledge. For myself, I do have a cleaning license registered with NEA. However, we only offer domestic cleaning. In the past, we are not aware of all these like who should go or who should not go for the cleaning license. So we are not aware. So we just go ahead for the cleaning license, and we are keeping until today lah. Although we are not regulated by NEA in any way, but we are allowed to keep the license lah. Although we are not practicing. Who knows, one day we will venture into doing commercial cleaning or industrial cleaning that require this license. Okay, with all this being said, I thank you all for watching and hope to see you all in the next video. And have a good one. Goodbye.